You don't need expensive packing cubes or influencer-approved gadgets to travel like a pro. You just need Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. Stick with me because I'm about to show you weird but genius Dollar Tree packing hacks I actually use. And trust me, they'll change your travel life. Welcome back. Okay, let's be honest. I'm not spending $400 on some influencer-approved minimalist packing cube system. I go to Dollar Tree. Why? Because everything you actually need for travel is sitting between the off-brand soap dish and the seasonal Halloween candy. So today, I'm giving you my weird but genius Dollar Tree packing hacks. The ones I actually use. They're cheap, they work, and they make TSA agents look at me like I'm building a survival bunker in my suitcase, which, to be fair, I kind of am. Organza gift bags from the party aisle. Yes, the ones people use for stale Jordan almonds at your cousin's bridal shower. They're actually perfect jewelry organizers. Slip in your necklaces, earrings, and rings, 1 piece per bag, 2 if it's earrings, and suddenly you're not untangling a jewelry rat's nest on vacation. Plus, they're sheer, so you don't have to dump everything out to find your favorite hoops. Let's go over to kitchen gear, Dollar Tree pot holders. This one's an oldie but a goodie. After you use your curling iron or straightener, toss it inside. Heat safe, dirt cheap, and your underwear won't get that lovely melted nylon aroma. Now to the auto aisle for microfiber towels. Not for your car, but to save your personal item bag on a plane. Because if you're short, you're going to put your feet on it to save your back and legs from reminding you that those seats weren't made for comfort. Toss a microfiber towel over your bag first. It takes the dirt, the scuffs, the weird mystery goo, and when you get home, just throw it in the washing machine. Your bag comes out clean, and no one has to know your personal item doubled as a footrest. Shower caps are the Swiss Army knife of Dollar Tree. Sure, you can use them to keep your hair from getting wet on a non-wash day, and of course, there's the hack to keep your shoes from touching your clothes. But also, pop one over a bowl as a way to store leftovers in your VRBO or hotel. Use one to cover a plate to take back to your room on a cruise. Yes, you'll look unhinged, but you won't spill your fruit all over the elevator. Choose your battles. Those tiny eyeglass repair kits, lifesavers. That Barbie-sized screwdriver fits just about anything. Loose luggage handles, toy batteries. Suddenly you're not just a traveler, you're MacGyver. In the kitchen aisle, grab those little salad dressing bottles. Fill them with shampoo, lotion, sunscreen. Travel bottles for $1.25 instead of $15 on Amazon. TSA doesn't care that your conditioner is hanging out in a mustard bottle, and neither should you. Full disclosure, I've moved on to these packet-type toiletry bottles, but if you're just starting out, these can't be beat. Over to the hardware aisle. Carabiners hook your purse to the back of the chair, clip your grocery bags to your suitcase, hang your backpack off a bathroom stall door, hook a toddler backpack to yours when they've given up on traveling. Carabiners are the unsung heroes of the travel world. Wipies are a must, but the full pack is the size of a brick. Repack them into Dollar Tree snack containers. It keeps them moist, yes, I said that word, and small enough to toss in a purse. Perfect for wiping hands, faces, tray tables, you name it. This also works to keep your makeup remover wipes from seeping all over your toiletry bag. Dollar Tree sells mesh laundry bags. You can use them as laundry bags, duh, or beach toy bags so the sand doesn't get all over your suitcase, or grocery totes. You can also use the lingerie bags as packing cubes. Organization at $1.25. Take that, Container Store. Those Dollar Tree vacuum bags are iconic. You don't need to access a vacuum either. Stuff your clothes in it, sit on it, squeeze out the air, and seal it off. It's not pretty. It looks like you're wrestling a plastic alligator, but your dirty clothes are separated, and suddenly your suitcase has space for 3 more pairs of shoes that you swore you weren't going to pack. If you're traveling with kids, swing by the toy aisle. Grab puzzles, sticker books, mini dinosaurs, whatever. The trick is to ration them. Hand one out every hour like you're Santa. Suddenly, your kid is quiet, screen-free, and distracted. And if the toy disappears under the airplane seat or spontaneously combusts in the rental car, then you're only out 5 quarters. And here's a bonus hack nobody talks about. You can bulk order cases of most things from Dollar Tree online and pick them up in-store for free. So if you fall in love with their toys, shower caps, or storage bags, boom, whole case. You're basically the Costco of travel hacks, minus the membership fee and the 5-gallon tub of mayonnaise.
So there you have it, my weird but genius Dollar Tree packing hacks. Forget designer luggage gadgets. All you need is a pot holder, a shower cap, and the courage to walk proudly into Dollar Tree with a mission. If one of these hacks made you think, that's insane, but I'm trying it, then hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips, and drop your own Dollar Tree hacks in the comments. Because let's be real, the cheaper the hack, the more money you have for poolside drinks. Thanks for watching.